Hi, I'm Jim Cooper, inventor of Canarm's new EasyConnect wiring system. I'd like to introduce you to a revolutionary new way of wiring and installing light fixtures that will cut your installation time by at least 70%. And let me show you just how easy EasyConnect is to use. First, always ensure that the power has been turned off before doing any electrical work. Start by securing the EasyConnect mounting bracket to your wiring box. Then simply insert your house wiring into the push-in connectors. Black for live, white for neutral, and green for ground. Now, connect your light fixture wiring by repeating the same steps. Push the black, white, and green wires into the push-in connectors. That's it, your wiring is connected. Secure your light fixture to the bracket. Flip the switch and your installation is complete in seconds. Look for this logo at your favorite lighting retailer and simplify your renovation project with Canarm's EasyConnect push-in wire connector. Canarm's EasyConnect wire connector, a better way to connect.